Good morning, children. Welcome back with another new day. Today's topic in English, lesson buying things. Now let us start with the reading. Lesson buying things. Listen and read. Soham and Riva are going to a shop with their parents. Soham Soham and Reva Riva Arergoing going to a shop shop with their parents parents. Soham and Riva are going to a shop with their parents. What a big shop! WHAT what? A big big. SHOP shop. What a big shop! Mother wanted to buy something. Father wanted to buy something. MOTHER mother. WANTED wanted. TO2 BUY buy. SOMETHINGS something. Mother wanted to buy something. FATHER father. WANTED wanted. TO2 BUY buy. SOMETHINGS something. Father wanted to buy something. How about you, children? HOW how. ABOUT about. YOU CHILDREN children. How about you, children? Do you want to buy something on your own? DO YOU WANT want. TO2 BUY buy. SOMETHING something. ON on. YOUR your. OWN own. Do you want to buy something on your own? HERE here. SOME some. MONEY money. Here is some money. YOU can. USE use. IT it. TO2 BUY buy. ANY THING anything. YOU LIKE like. You can use it to buy anything you like. SHALL shall. WEVBUY buy. CHOCOLATES chocolates. Shall we buy chocolates? SHALL shall. WEVBUY buy. CRAYONS crayons. Shall we buy crayons? SHALL shall. WEVBUY buy. A TOY toy. Shall we buy a toy? Please PLEASE please. HELP help. US us. MOTHER mother. Please help us, mother. WHAT what. SHOULD should. WEVBUY buy. What should we buy? WELL well. YOUCAN can. BUY buy. SOMETHING something. THAT that. WILL will. FINISH finish. UP up. QUICKLY quickly. Well, you can buy something that will finish up quickly. OR or. YOUCAN can. BUY buy. SOMETHING something. THAT that. WILL will. LAST last. LONG long. You can buy something that will last long. YOUCAN can. BUY buy. SOMETHING something. MADE made. BY buy. OTHERS others. You can buy something made by others. OR or. YOUCAN can. B-U-Y buy. T-H-I-N-G-S things. A-N-D and. M-A-K-E make. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G something. Y-O-U-R-S-E-L-F yourself. Or you can buy things and make something yourself. T-H-A-T that. G-O-O-D good. I-D-E-A idea. That's a good idea. L-E-T-S let's. B-U-Y buy. T-H-I-N-G-S things. A-N-D and. M-A-K-E make. N-E-W new. T-H-I-N-G-S things. W-I-T-H with. T-H-E-M them. Let's buy something and make new thing with them. S-O-H-A-M soham. A-N-D and. R-E-V-A riva. P-I-C-K-E-D picked. U-P up. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G something. Soham and Riva picked up some things. T-H-E-Y they. W-E-N-T went. T-O-2. T-H-E the. C-O-U-N-T-E-R counter. They went to the counter. W-E-V. W-A-N-T want. T-U-2. B-U-Y buy. T-H-I-S this. P-A-P-E-R paper. G-L-U-E glue. A-N-D and. C-O-L-O-U-R-S colors. We want to buy this paper, glue and colors. H-O-W how. M-U-C-H much. I-S is. I-T it. How much is it? N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. F-I-V-E 5. R-U-P-E-E-S rupees. I-N in. A-L-L all. 95 rupees in all. Years. H-E-R-E-S years. T-H-E the. M-O-N-E-Y money. Here's the money. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. R-U-P-E-E-S rupees. 100 rupees. T-H-A-N-K thank. Y-O-U thank you. I-M-U-S-T must. G-I-V-E give. Y-O-U F-I-V-E 5. R-U-P-E-E-S rupees. B-A-C-K back. H-E-R-E here. I-T it. I-S is. Thank you. I must give you 5 rupees back. Here it is. Children, you have to practice this reading every day. Children, now let's start with the reading of the notes. Who said to whom? How about you, children? Father said to Soham and Riva. F-A-T-H-E-R father. S-A-I-D said. T-O-2. S-O-H-A-M Soham. A-N-D and. R-E-V-A Riva. Father said to Soham and Riva. Second one. Please help us, mother. Soham and Riva said to mother. S-O-H-A-M Soham. A-N-D and. R-E-V-A Riva said. S-A-I-D said. T-O-2. M-O-T-H-E-R mother. Soham and Riva said to mother. Third one. 95 rupees in all. The counter man said to Soham and Riva. T-H-E the. C-O-U-N-T-E-R counter. M-A-N man. S-A-I-D said. T-O-2. S-O-H-A-M Soham. A-N-D and. R-E-V-A Riva. The counter man said to Soham and Riva. Answer the following. Where are Soham and Riva going? Soham and Riva are going to a shop. S-O-H-A-M Soham. A-N-D and. R-E-V-A Riva. A-R-E-R. G-O-I-N-G going. T-O-2. A shop. S-H-O-P shop. Soham and Riva are going to a shop. Second one. What did they buy? They bought paper, glue and colors. T-H-E-Y they. B-O-U-G-H-T bought. P-A-P-E-R paper. G-L-U-E glue. and COLOURS colors. They bought papers, glue and colors. Third one. How much did they pay in all? They paid 95 rupees in all. THEY they. PAID paid. NINETY 90. FIVE 5. RUPEES rupees. INN ALL all. They paid 95 rupees in all. Now let's start the opposites. Big, small. SMALL small. Long, short. SHORT short. New, old. OLD old. Going, coming. COMING coming. Children, now the next question is make sentences. I'll be giving you a word. You have to use that word and make a new sentence out of it. Now here I have made two sentences for you. Chocolate. The word is chocolate and you have to make a sentence. Chocolate. I like to eat chocolate. I LIKE like. TO2 eat. EAT eat. Chocolate. CHOCOLATE chocolate. I like to eat chocolate. The next word is children. Children like to play in the garden. CHILDREN children. LIKE like. TO2 PLAY play. IN in. THE the. GARDEN garden. Children like to play in the garden. So children, did you understand how to make a sentence? Children, you have to continue copying this in your book number 1. Summary. Lesson Buying Things note continued.